Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I will be showing you how to build a Squarespace website from scratch. The first thing you want to do is create an account. You can do this for completely free. All you'll need is your email address. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to get started. Once you're signed up, you're going to tap on Get Started. Then you'll be redirected to the templates page. Now on this section, it all depends what type of website would you like to create. Is it a case that you would like to create a portfolio website? Because so you'll tap on portfolio. If you would like to create a blog, you could select blog, and depending on the option that you select, you will be recommended different types of templates. So for example, if we were to select blog, you can see the different templates that they recommend right here. But if you would like to build your own website from scratch, you're going to tap on Build Your Own Template. After selecting Build Your Own Template, you're going to tap on Let's Go. And this will give you full authority to customize everything on your website, from the layout to everything overall. So all you'll need to do after doing that, you'll be redirected to a new page, and you're going to add your site title. After adding your site title, you'll tap on Next in the bottom right hand corner. Then from here, you can lay out your home page. So for example, would you like to add an introduction section on your home page? You can do that. You can see they are preparing the preview right here. Once the preview has loaded up, you can see intro section. So you can select any one of these options by simply tapping on it. And if you don't want to use any of these options, you can just not tap on any one or simply double tap on it to remove it. So let's say, for example, we would like to use this section. You can tap right there. Then if it is a case that you would like to add products, you can select any one of the products layout. So you can add featured products. You can tap right here to add shop or products if you want, or you can simply double tap to remove a particular section. And let's say it is a case that you would like to sell services. You can select the different service layouts, as you can see right there. You can select whichever one to your liking. You can tap right there to select the different services that you'll be offering, as you can see right here. I like this layout, so I'll be using that one. Then you can scroll down, and from here, if it is a case that you're offering appointments, you can see the different layouts that you can use right there. So you can see book a free consultation. You can also add your calendar icon right there. It is completely up to you. And you can scroll down. If you are selling digital products, you can select any one of these layout options also. And if you would like to add an about section, you can tap on about. Then from there, you can see the different about section options. So we'll use that one. You can also add a social section if you want. So we'll add this social section. Then you can scroll down. If you would like to add a contact form, you can select any one of these contact forms. As you can see right there, you are provided with numerous options. Once you're finished, you can also edit the footer section. So you can see the different footer section options, as you can see right here. As I said, it all depends on the purpose of your website. You can create it or you can customize it to your liking. After you're finished, you're going to tap on Next in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you can add the different pages that you would like to offer. So it has the About page and the Contact page, which I would recommend for any website. And if you are creating a shop, you can tap on Shop. If you are planning to sell services, appointments, or courses, you can select any one of these 4 options. Then you'll tap on Next. After tapping on Next, you can select a color scheme that you would like to use. So for example, I would like to use the dark blue and light blue color scheme. Then I'll tap on Next in the bottom right hand corner. Then you can scroll down and you can select the font style that you would like to use. As you can see right there, there are numerous font styles that you can choose from. Once you have selected the font style that you like, you'll tap on next. Then you're going to give it a few seconds while our website is being composed in the background. You can see your template is now ready. Once our template has been prepared, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on skip. After tapping on skip, you'll be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, once it loads up, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option. On the left-hand menu option, you can select website. After selecting website, you will see all of the pages that are currently on our website. So you can see the about page right here by tapping on about. After selecting that, you can tap on edit from the top menu option. After selecting edit, you can edit each section. So for example, you can tap on the text section, tap on the pencil icon, and then from there you can start editing the text. You can also tap on this section, then you can tap on the pencil to make changes. And right where you see the image right here, you can change the image by simply tapping on the image, then tapping on the pencil icon. Then from there you could tap on replace, and you could replace it with an image of yourself. After doing that, you can tap on save in the top right left hand corner, better yet. And if it is a case that you would like to add a block, for example, you like to add an image or text to a section that you don't see it, you could tap on add block, and then from there you'll see all of the elements features as you can see right here. So let's say for example you're creating a business website and you would like to, for example, add your map so they can go onto maps and they'll be able to locate your business. You could tap on map and you could add the map right there, and then you could type in your business address. Now we're going to tap on exit in the top left hand corner. From here the concept remains the same. You could go onto the contact page. Once on the contact page, you can make editing changes by tapping on edit. Then from there you can edit each section by simply hovering over it with the mouse, then tapping on edit section. So you can tap right there to edit the section, you can edit the text and so on. You can edit this section also by tapping there. You could tap on the pencil icon, and then from there you can change the design if you want by tapping on design. You can also tap on content and you can see the different content blocks right here. So if it is a case that you would like to remove a block, you can tap on edit form fields. At the moment you can see name, email, message. If we would like to remove the message option, we'll tap on edit. Then from there we'll tap on the red circle, and we have now removed the message option. If you would like to add field, you could tap on add field, and you can see the different options that you can add right there. As you can see right here, there are numerous options, so you can select any one of these fields to add. Now let's go back. Once you go back, you will simply tap on exit in the top left hand corner. Then from here we're going to go onto the main page. So we are going to select home. After selecting home, you want to go onto the home page. So let's do that real quick. We're going to select website once more. Then we're going to go onto our home page. Once on the home page, you can start editing the home page by tapping on edit. After doing that, you can edit each section. If you would like to edit the header section, you can simply hover over it, tap on edit header. Then from there you can change the site title and logo by tapping on it and selecting the pencil icon. You can also add elements. So for example, let's say you would like to add your social links. You could tap on add elements. Then from there you could simply toggle on social links, and you will realize that a social link has now been displayed, and you can tap on it, and from there you could enter in your Instagram account, your Facebook account, or so on. After you're finished with that, you can tap on each section and you can continue editing it by tapping on edit section, and you can do that going right down. So you can edit this section also by simply tapping on it. You can edit the section, you can edit the price, and you can also add your services. So we could tap on edit section right here. and you can edit the section. Now, if you are planning to sell something on your website, all you'll need to do, you'll go over to the top left-hand corner, and let's say, for example, we were to tap on save to save our changes, then tap on exit. Now to add your products, all you'll need to do is tap on home. Then from here, you're going to tap on selling. After selecting selling, you can tap on products. Then from here, you can select any one of the products option. So if it is a case that you want to sell a physical product, you could tap on physical. After selecting physical, you will be able to fill out the information by adding the product name and image, then continue with filling it out. Then we can tap on close right here, and I'll be showing you how to add digital products also. So for example, an ebook, if you would like to sell songs, photos, anything that is downloadable, you can tap on download. Then from here, you'll be able to upload your digital product. So you can add in the product name, you can add in the cover image or mock-up image, then you can upload the image that you would like to sell, and from there you can select your price. And again, you can tap on products once more, you can select services, and you'll be able to offer consultations and so on. If you would like to sell videos on demand, you can select video. You can also use Squarespace to create a course and sell your course. You can also use it to do booking. So let's say, for example, coaching, or for example, if you're creating a fitness website for personal training, you can also do your booking right there. So you can select Acuity, scheduling, and you can use that feature. After doing that, you can go back, and from there, you'll select payments. Because once you're offering services, you're going to need to create payment options. So this is how you'll be able to offer your customers different methods to pay you so you can start making some money. You can connect your Stripe account, PayPal account, or your Square account. Keep in mind, to collect payments using Squarespace, you will need to select one of their subscription plans. But their subscription plans start off at $16 per month. And you can see that it offers numerous features, and in the future, if you want, you could go onto a more expensive plan. For example, $23 is their most popular plan. It all depends on the aim of your website. Now you can tap on publish once you're finished. And another thing that I should also tell you is Squarespace also offers marketing, so you could tap on marketing. And from here, you'll be able to set up your email campaigns. So you can tap on email campaigns. And from here, you'll be able to tap on create. And then you'll be able to use the different email templates. So you can start retargeting your audience or so on. Or you can start collecting your audience email address. So you'll be able to better connect with them whenever you want. You can also use their analytics features to see how your website is working out and to check out your conversions. Squarespace overall is a very good website builder, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone. By selecting website once more, you can scroll down, and the last thing that I would like to show you is website tools. By selecting website tools, you'll be able to set up the announcement bar. So by tapping on announcement bar, you can create an announcement bar. And I also show you that you can create a promotional pop-up by tapping right there. You can edit your pop-up. You can also add the cookies and visitor data. So you can add that pop-up if you want, or banner, by simply toggle it on. Once you're finished creating your website, you'll tap on preview in the top right hand corner, and you can see how it looks. Then from there, you can quickly publish your website after selecting one of the payment options. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.